If you need to create a channel on Slack, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So without further ado, let's get into it. Creating a channel on Slack is super easy, so let's get into it. Over here, you will see channels. You can click on this and click on create, or you can go down to the bottom of your page. You'll see the create new, and from here, you will see channel. You can go ahead and click on that. Here, you want to give this channel a name. So let's go ahead and say Boss Vibes. And then you have the option to invite external people. However, that is a pro feature. Let's click on next, and here you can manage your visibility or your privacy of your channel. So you can make it public, so anyone within the Big Boss Photos account will be able to access it, or privately, and only the specific people who have been requested to join can be in this channel. Let's go ahead and click on create. This is now a new channel. It's quick and easy, and now you can start inviting those people. You can just add names or email addresses in here and they will get an invite.